Hi, I'm Russ. This is a short video I made of the road trip that I took with my two daughters when we moved them from Southern California to Wheeling, West Virginia, so that they could help out with the renovation and restoration and saving of this beautiful old Victorian home. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so Property Sisters are getting ready to go, and we're all packed up, got the stuff. Say bye to Mom and Rob.